Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So, if you've ever edited something in ChatGPT Canvas and thought "Oh, I think I prefer the other version better," but if you got confused and don't know where to go and how to retrieve them, don't worry, there is a quick fix. So today, I'll show you how to roll back to a previous version of your writing in ChatGPT Canvas in just a few clicks. So it's just easy as that. Let me show you right about now. Let's jump right in. There we go. So let's say I am making a travel guide for a honeymoon. Okay. And then I would do a few adjustments, like let's say add final polish, or I could adjust the length right here. Okay. There we go. And within just a few quick edits here and there, some polishing, just adding some more details in a lot of these sections just to expand a bit more. Okay, just give a bit more time. It wouldn't take that long. Okay, so let's say you just recently edited it, but then you had this sudden switch of oh, I don't know if I might like this. I prefer the other one. Well, there are ways to do that, and easy as that. Here it is, the undo by clicking the previous version right here. Voila. As you can see, here's the old version. Here's the new version. Let me just show you. Old, new. Right here. Yeah, that's the D3 of the old. This is the new one. There we go. And as you can see, this pops up. You are viewing a previous version. Restore this version to make edits. If you change your mind again and prefer the new one, click this one. If not, you can restore this version by simply clicking on this. And voila. Here we go. Back to what you preferred with the old version. There we go. No complications, just a few clicks with this one. There we go. And if ever there's 3 or 4 versions back with the other one, just keep clicking it until you eventually find it. And yep, here we go. That's really easy. If there are edits and all, you can click this one just in case, restore this, and boom, easy as that. So that concludes with me guiding you on how to restore the previous version that is optional that you want to. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video, and smash that like button if you'd really appreciate it. And it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm if you do so. So thank you so much, everybody, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.